everyone, Abby here. Today I'm going to be talking about printed bandana fabric. Printed bandana fabric is a broadcloth with the bandana pattern printed on one side. The fabric is made of cotton or a cotton blend with a plain weave. This bandana fabric is 80% polyester and 20% cotton. The fabric is lightweight, breathable, and may be opaque when held up to light. The fabric's content and construction aids in easy care and durability, and it can usually be machine washed and dried. Bandana print is typically a symmetrical design of paisley and floral, arranged in a square format to mimic a standard bandana. Traditional colors are red, navy, and black with white accents, but modern versions include a variety of colors. It can be used for home decor accents, like pillows or lampshades. You can make some accessories, like tote bags or handkerchiefs. For pets, you can make collars, bandanas, or cat mats. It can be used for apparel, like shirts or headbands or patches. It can be great for crafting, for making quilts or buntings. Here's a bag that I made with the printed bandana fabric. I found it very easy to sew with and very easy to press. It held its shape very well. Well, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or anything to add, please do so in the comments below. We'll see you next time.